What's up, everybody? SM here, and today we're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, one of the hottest topics in finance right now. Crypto is everywhere, but with all the hype and headlines, it's easy to get lost or overwhelmed. The US market is changing fast, with new regulations, ETFs, and big institutional money entering the space. So, how do you make smart choices? It's about being informed and strategic, not just chasing hype. This video is for US investors who want to know which cryptocurrencies are worth considering right now. We'll break down my top picks, from Bitcoin to some of the most innovative projects, and explain why they matter for your portfolio. Let's jump in. First up, the original. Bitcoin, ticker BTC. Some say it's old news, but for US investors, Bitcoin is still the foundation. Think of it as digital gold. Its security, decentralization, and market dominance are unmatched. And now, with spot Bitcoin ETFs, it's more accessible than ever. Major companies and institutions are buying in, and regulatory clarity in the US gives it a unique edge. Bitcoin's fixed supply makes it a hedge against inflation, a big deal as the dollar's value fluctuates. You can buy it easily on any major US exchange, and it's the most liquid established crypto asset. While it may not deliver overnight riches, it offers stability and long-term growth potential. For beginners, start with Bitcoin. It's the anchor of any solid crypto portfolio. Don't overthink it. Build your foundation here. Let's move on. Next, Ethereum, ticker ETH, the engine behind decentralized apps and smart contracts. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum is programmable, powering everything from DeFi to NFTs. Its network effect is massive, and it's the backbone of the decentralized internet, or Web3. High gas fees have been a problem, but upgrades like Ethereum 2.0 and the merge have made it faster and greener. Regulatory clarity and potential spot ETFs make it attractive for US investors. Ethereum is a bet on the future of digital ownership, finance, and innovation. If you believe in the growth of blockchain applications, ETF is a must-have. It's available everywhere and has staying power. Think of it as the fuel for the next generation of the internet. Now let's look at some challengers. Meet Solana, ticker SOL, the high-speed, low-fee blockchain that's making waves. Solana's main draw is its ability to process thousands of transactions per second for pennies, making it ideal for gaming, DeFi, and social apps. Its user experience is smooth, but network outages have raised concerns about stability and decentralization. Developers are working hard to fix these issues, and the ecosystem keeps growing. For US investors, Solana is a higher risk, higher reward play, a bet on speed and innovation. If it solves its reliability problems, the upside could be huge. Solana is backed by strong venture capital and a passionate community. It's one of the few real contenders to Ethereum's dominance. Watch this space closely. Next, a more methodical approach. Cardano, ticker ADA, takes a research-driven academic approach to blockchain. Founded by Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson, Cardano prioritizes security and sustainability through peer-reviewed development. Progress has been slow, but recent upgrades have sparked real growth in DeFi and NFTs on the platform. Cardano appeals to investors who value long-term stability and careful innovation. Its dedicated community and focus on decentralization set it apart. For US investors, Cardano is a bet on methodical, sustainable growth. It may not be flashy, but it's built to last. Now let's talk about scaling Ethereum. Polygon, ticker Matic, isn't competing with Ethereum. It's making it better. As a Layer 2 solution, Polygon offers faster, cheaper transactions while leveraging Ethereum's security. Its partnerships with major brands like Disney and Starbucks are bringing millions into crypto, often without them even knowing it. Polygon is the gateway for mainstream adoption, making crypto accessible for everyone. For US investors, it's a direct play on Ethereum's continued success. Polygon keeps evolving, with new tech like ZK rollups pushing it forward. It's proven, widely adopted, and constantly innovating. Let's check out another unique contender. Avalanche, ticker AVAX, brings something new with its subnet architecture. Subnets let anyone build custom blockchains for specific needs, all connected to Avalanche's secure network. This means near infinite scalability and flexibility, attracting both enterprises and game developers. Avalanche has successfully drawn DeFi projects and users from Ethereum, rapidly expanding its ecosystem. For US investors, Avalanche is a bet on customization and enterprise adoption in blockchain. Its technical sophistication and unique approach make it stand out in a crowded field. If you believe in a multi-chain future, Avalanche is worth a look. Now, let's talk about the infrastructure powering it all. Chainlink, ticker Link, isn't a blockchain, but it's essential infrastructure. As a decentralized Oracle network, Chainlink connects smart contracts to real-world data, like prices, weather, and more. It's the backbone for DeFi, used by major protocols like Aave and Compound. Chainlink's reach goes beyond DeFi, aiming to connect all blockchains and external data sources. For US investors, Link is a picks and shovels play on the entire crypto ecosystem. It doesn't matter which blockchain wins. If they need data, they need Chainlink. Its network effect and integration make it hard to beat. Let's wrap up. That's my rundown of top cryptocurrencies for US investors. Remember, this is just a starting point. Crypto is volatile, so never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research, read white papers, and understand the risks. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite crypto in the comments. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. You're responsible for your own investment decisions. Thanks.
Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey. Dear viewers, I want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for watching my videos and supporting my channel. Your love and encouragement mean so much to me. However, I have noticed that many of you enjoy the content but haven't subscribed yet. If you truly enjoy my videos and want to see more exciting content in future, I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel, and subscribing is completely free, but it helps me grow, create even better videos, and stay motivated to share some more amazing content with you. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and join our YouTube family today. Your support means that the world to me, and together we can make this community even bigger and stronger. Thank you so much for watching, supporting, and being a part of this journey.